Now, corresponding question. A single phase distributor 2 kilometer long supply a load of 100. First of all, this one 120, that is I2 is 120 ampere, and power factor cos phi 2, that is 0.8 lagging. Okay, that is 2 kilometer. That is, this point is A and this point is B. Lagging at its far end, and load of 80 ampere, 80 ampere like this one. Okay, at 0.9, that is I1. I1 is 0, that is 80 ampere, and cos phi 1 is equal to 0.9 lagging. Okay, at midpoint suppose that is C. Okay, both power factor are refer to the voltage at the end far. Means, what is the meaning of this one? Means VB angle between, that is phi 1, and VB and I2, that is phi 2. Clear? Okay, both power factor are referred to the voltage at the far end. Far end means like this one. Okay, VB and I2. Phi 2 is the angle between VB and I2, and phi 1 is the angle between VB and I1 because of end far. Okay, end far means end far voltage, that is VB. Okay, the resistance and reactance R and Jx, that is written as 0.05 plus J 0.1 ohm per kilometer. Okay, if the voltage at the end far is maintained, VB is maintained like 230 volt. Suppose that is a reference voltage. This one is take a reference voltage. Our motto determine voltage at sending end. Our motto determine sending end voltage. This one is R1, and that is Jx1, and that is R2 plus Jx2. Okay, and this current is I. Okay, so first of all, what about I1? I1 is 80 at the angle power factor lagging. It means negative cos phi 1 is negative, and cos inverse 0.9, that is 25 point minus 25.84. Okay, and what about I2? I2 is written as 120 ampere at the angle minus 36.86 degree. Okay, clear? Now, first of all, in VA is written as VB plus V of CB plus V of AC. Okay, this one is also written as VC plus V of AC. So if you determine VC means VB plus V of CB. Okay, VB is 230 at the angle 0 degree plus VCB, that is I2 into R2 plus Jx2. So 230 at the angle 0 degree plus I2 is 120 at the angle minus 36.86, and R2, this length total is 2 kilometer, and this one is a midpoint. It means L1 is 1 kilometer, and that is L2 also 1 kilometer. Okay, this one is per kilometer. If multiply 1 kilometer, then CB resistance, CB's impedance is 0. It is written as 0.05 plus J 0.1. Okay, now 230 at the angle 0 plus 100 minus 36.86, and it is also written as J10. Okay, so finally 5 plus 10J, it is converted into, that is 11.18 at the angle 63.43. Okay, multiply by this one, that is 1.2 at the angle minus 36.86. Okay, we got 13 point something, and like this one plus 230 at the angle 0, again it's converted in polar form, that is 242.07 at the angle 1.42. Okay, that is VC. VC is equal to like this one. So finally VC is written here, that is 242.07 at the angle 1.42, or you can say that VC at the angle alpha. Okay, now our next target is, that is 242.07 at the angle 1.42 plus V of AC. V of AC is I into R1 plus Jx1. How can determine? First of all, determine I. I is I1 plus I2. So I1 and I2 is, that is first 80 at the angle minus 25.84 plus 120 at the angle minus 36.86. okay, it is converted into 199. We got 199.11 at the angle minus 32.45. okay, that is I. okay, if you want to written here, I is we got 199.11 at the angle minus 32.45. okay, I1 80 at the angle minus 25.84. I2 is 120 at the angle minus 36.86. okay, clear? And voltage drop across CB, first AC, VC, this is equal to, we got 242.07 at the angle 1.422. you can also written as at the angle alpha. VC at the angle alpha. Clear? Now next target is, VC is completed. Now that is 242.07 at the angle 1.42. what about I? That is 199.11 at the angle minus 32.45. okay, into R plus Jx. it is also written as again 1 kilometer, so you can direct written as 11.18 at the angle 63.43. clear? Simply but multiply by 100 means like this one after that. okay, now with the help of calci you can determine it, that is 1.99 at the angle minus 32.45. okay, into 11.18 at the angle 63.43. okay, it is converted into, we got like this one and this one. okay, so plus 242.07 at the angle 1.42. okay, and we got finally, that is 261.62 at the angle 3.82 volt. okay, that is VA, and this VA is also written as VA at the angle delta. okay, so VA is written as here, that is 261.62 at the angle 82, and that is VA at the angle delta. So what is the sending in voltage? That is 261.62 volt. And what is the phase angle between two ends? That is delta is 3.82. okay, if you want to make phasor diagram, then we draw here. okay, how to draw? how to draw. See here, you know that VA is equal to VB plus V of CB plus V of AC, and this one, that is V of AC, and I is I1 plus I2. Okay, so first of all draw VB, and that is I2, that is phi 2 angle. Phi 2 angle is minus 36.86, that's why. Okay, so I know that VC this is equal to VB plus I2 into R2 plus JX2. So I2 into R2, and this one, that is J I2 into X2. So resultant of this I2 R2 plus JX2, that is V of CB, and that is 90 degree. Clear? That is 90 degree. This one is a 90 degree, that is VCB. Now this one represent VC, that is alpha, and this alpha is 1.42. Angle between VB and VC is 1.4. You can, if you want to draw 422. Clear? Now next target is, that is complete VC. Our next target is VA. VA is VC plus V of AC. So VA is written as VC plus I into R1 plus JX1. I is the sum of I1 plus I2. I2 make like this one. What about I1? I1 is minus 25, means that is I1, phi 1. Angle between phi 1 is the angle between VB and I. That's why I make like this one. The resultant of these two, that is I. Okay, and we draw here, that is I. Okay, I into R1, and this one is J I into X, and this one represent V of AC. This line represent V of AC, and complete, that is VA. And angle between VB and VC is delta. So finally this angle VC and VB, angle between VC and VB, that is 3.83. Clear? How to make the phasor diagram? Clear? So first of all make it. After that we have discussed another question. Now corresponding question, a three-phase 400 distributor AB is loaded as on a figure. At point B, a three-phase 400 volt. Means first of all take per phase voltage. Per phase VB is in per phase, that is 400 by root 3, that is 231 at the angle 0. That is reference voltage. Clear? And efficiency like this one. So first of all determine I2. I2 is, power is given 10 HP, means 746 converted in watt, divided by root 3 into line voltage, that is 400 into power factor 0.85, and efficiency 0.9. So finally we got 14.08. If you solve this, we got 14 point something, like, okay, corresponding to this one ampere. I have already solved, that's why that is 14.08 ampere. Clear? Now next target is VB and I2, angle between VB and I2, and if the voltage at B point is maintained 400 volt, what should be the voltage at point A? Our motto: determine voltage corresponding to this one. The resistance and reactance of the line are 1 ohm and 0. Means R plus Jx, that is 1 ohm plus J 0.5 ohm per phase per kilometer. Okay, so first of all determine portion AC and portion CB impedance. Z of AC, this is equal to 1 plus J 0.5 into 0.6, means 0.6 plus J 0.3 ohm, that is Z of AC. And Z of CB, it is written as 1 plus J 0.5 into 0.4, that is 0.4 plus J 0.2 ohm. Okay, so 0.6 plus 0.3 J, it is converted into, that is J007 at the angle 26.56 ohm. Okay, and this one is also written as 0.4 plus 0.2 J, it is converted into polar form, that is 0.4472 at the angle 26.56 ohm. Okay, now next target is, first of all, voltage power factor is not mentioned. Power factor is not mentioned. Corresponding to this power factor is angle between, that is phi 2 is clear, that is 0.85. Cos phi is 0.85. Cos inverse 0.85 is 31 point something, 31.78. And what about phi 1? Phi 1 is 36.86. But if take this one, means you can mention here, not mention VB. This phi 1 is the angle between VB and I1 or VC and I1. Okay, so if you consider, let power factor always mention, let power factor in subjective exam always mention power factor refer to receiving end voltage. If take receiving voltage, then written is VB and I1. Otherwise, if you mention load end, means VC and I1. Okay, but in question is not given, that's why we have always consider corresponding to receiving end. Okay, if you consider corresponding this one, then also written here. Otherwise, your some marks are cutting. Okay, sometime maybe, that's why. Clear? The phi 1 is the angle between VB and I1. Now next target is our motto VA. So VA, this is equal to VB plus V of AC plus V of CB. So first of all, our motto VB plus V of CB. Okay, so VB plus VB plus VCB, that is VC So VC this equal to, VC is written as VB. What about VB? VB is 231 at the angle 0 degree plus 231 at the angle 0 degree plus V of AC is I2 into R2 plus JX2. So 231 at the angle 0 plus I2 is 1408 at the angle minus 31.78 into R2 plus JX2. R2 plus JX2 is 0.4472 at the angle 26.56. So finally we got 14.08 at the angle minus 31.78 into 0.4472 at the angle 26.56. okay, and this one is converted into like this one and plus this one plus 231 at the angle 0 degree. okay, it is also converted into, finally we got 237.27 at the angle minus 0.138 volt. Clear? That is VC. So VC is 237.27 at the angle minus 0.138 plus V of AC, that is I into R1 plus JX1. So I is I1 plus I2. I1 is, what about I1? 5 at the angle 0.86 sorry 0.30 minus 36.86 plus 14.08 at the angle minus 31.78. okay, so first of all written as 5 at the angle minus 36.86 plus 14.08 at the angle minus 31.78. okay, it is converted into, we got 19 point something, that is 19.065 at the angle minus 33.11. okay, that is this one is 19.065 at the angle minus 33.11 into R1 plus JX1, that is 0.67 at the angle 26.56. okay, so multiply by 0.67 at the angle 26.56. okay, finally it is converted into something, and this one, and plus 237.27 and the angle 0, sorry not angle 0, this is minus 0.138. okay, and it is finally 250 at the angle minus 0.46. okay, 0.46. our motto, this is the per phase voltage. We got VA is the per phase voltage. If multiply by root 3, then that is line voltage. That is 250 into root 3. 250 into root 3. Finally we got root 3 into 250. We got 4330.12 volt. This is the final answer. okay, make it.